स्टूडेंट्स के लिए खुशखबरी खुशखबरी खुशखबरी। बेंगलुरु के शादाब शादी महल के बाद अब्बास खान कॉलेज में रफी सर का फ्री वर्कशॉप। अब्बास खान कॉलेज में रफी सर का फ्री वर्कशॉप 6 अक्टूबर बरोज इतवार सुबह 9:30 बजे से दोपहर 12 बजे तक वर्कशॉप। स्टूडेंट्स के साथ पेरेंट्स भी इस वर्कशॉप में हिस्सा ले सकते हैं। याददाश्त को बढ़ाने, मेमोरी स्किल में इजाफा करने और हैंड राइटिंग की सुधार के लिए काफी कीमती मालूमात, काफी कीमती टिप्स इस वर्कशॉप में रफीउल्लाह बेग फराहम करेंगे। लिहाजा तमाम वालिदैन और स्टूडेंट से दरख्वास्त है कि वो इस सुनहरे मौके से फायदा उठाएं। आने वाले संडे 6 अक्टूबर को अब्बास खान कॉलेज पहुंचकर इस वर्कशॉप में हिस्सा लें। जुनूबी हिंद न्यूज रिपोर्ट।
After the tremendous success of last month's free memory workshop organized by Success Minds chairman Dr. Rafiullah Beg in collaboration with various social organizations at a wedding hall in Tannery Road, several students enrolled in Rafi sir's renowned Excel workshop. These students have now completed 1 month of transformative training with remarkable improvements in both memory and handwriting. Maulvi Asif Ali Khan, a prominent scholar, shared his appreciation for the impact of the program, stating, "The children enrolled in the Excel workshop are excelling beyond expectations. Their memory retention has sharpened, and their handwriting has significantly improved. These skills are already reflecting positively in their midterm exams, all thanks to Rafi sir's simple yet powerful teaching techniques."
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. In the month of August, we had a session with Dr. Rafiullah Beg at Tannery Road, Shadab Shadi Mahal. That was a very huge session, mashallah. Around 800 to 900 students registered, and there was a 2000 plus, I think, crowd for the session. Mashallah, it was a very good session. Teachers, parents, students, all were present there. After that session, many students enrolled in Rafi sir's Excel class. So from 1 month, every weekend in Abbas Khan College, there is an offline workshop, and on Friday, Rafi sir takes in the evening online workshop. So after 1 month's result, what we are seeing is our children, especially my daughter is enrolled in that, my niece is also enrolled in that. From that program, what we are seeing, our kids are not at all fearing about exams. Actually, learning and memorizing things has become a game for them. This is all because Rafi sir's memory Excel class. Alhamdulillah, my children, my kids and my niece, they are attending Rafi sir's class from 1 month, and we have noticed that our children, they are not at all fearing about exams. They had their midterm exams recently. They were very confident while going to exam, and they were same confident when they came back from exam, and they were telling, this time it was very easy for us to remember things, to write things. We wrote very nicely. Our handwriting is improved now, and also they are not at all stressed about reading or memorizing for the next exam. Like, they are very confident. In less time they are memorizing many things, and in less time they are writing everything nicely and in very beautiful handwriting. So this is the thing we have got from Rafi sir's class.
Building on this momentum, a celebrated memory expert Dr. Rafiullah Beg has announced another free special training program titled How to Improve Your Memory and Develop Your Handwriting. The event is scheduled for Sunday, 6th October 2024 and is open to students and their parents. The interactive session will allow participants to learn life-changing memory techniques that Dr. Beg has mastered over years of research and experience. As an inspiring addition, Rafi sir said, the students from the Excel workshop, who have already completed 4 weeks of training, will showcase their newly developed memory skills, demonstrating the powerful techniques they've learned.
Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. हाउ टू इम्प्रूव योर मेमोरी एंड हाउ टू डेवलप योर हैंड राइटिंग। ये टॉपिक्स के ऊपर मेरा एक संडे प्रोग्राम है 6 अक्टूबर के दिन। इस प्रोग्राम में बच्चे और उनके माँ बाप दोनों आकर अटेंड कर सकते हैं। ये फ्री प्रोग्राम होगा। मेरी ये फोकस रहेगा ये प्रोग्राम में कि आपके बच्चों की याददाश्त और उनकी हैंड राइटिंग, ये 2 क्रूशल फैक्टर्स जो उनको इम्तिहान में बहुत ही मदद हासिल कर सकते हैं, ये 2 फैक्टर्स की तरफ से, वो है उनकी याददाश्त और उनकी लिखावट। इसकी एक ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम मैंने रखा हूँ 6 अक्टूबर के दिन सुबह 9:30 बजे से 12 बजे तक। ये अब्बास खान कॉलेज फॉर वुमेन, ये जो कबनपेट एरिया में आता है, कॉर्पोरेशन के बहुत करीब में है, यहाँ पर है सेशन। आपको 9 बजे तक पहुंचना है, 9:30 से 12 बजे तक ये सेशन है। याद रखिए फ्री सेशन है, लेकिन बच्चे के साथ में पेरेंट्स आकर अटेंड करेंगे तो आप देखेंगे, जानेंगे कि बच्चे कैसे अपनी याददाश्त को इंप्रूव कर सकते हैं और उनकी लिखावट को इंप्रूव कर सकते हैं। और फाइनल एग्जाम जो अभी एक 5-6 महीनों के बाद में उनको लिखना है, उसकी तैयारी वो अभी से कर सकते हैं। और ये सेशन फ्री सेशन रहेगा, आपको कोई पैसे देने की जरूरत नहीं, मगर आपको वक्त के साथ में आना है। 9 बजे रिपोर्ट करना है, 9:30 से 12 बजे तक हमारा सेशन होगा इंशाअल्लाह।
Encouraging community participation, Maulvi Asif Ali Khan urged the residents of Pulkeshangar and nearby areas to seize this golden opportunity. This is a chance to learn invaluable skills that can shape your future. Join us on 6th October along with your children and experience the benefits of this empowering workshop firsthand. Dr. Rafiullah Beg's workshops have already touched the lives of many children, unlocking their potential and boosting their confidence. Don't miss this opportunity to be part of a transformative learning experience.
So I would recommend all the parents who had attended in Shadab Shadi Mahal to come for a free class this Sunday, 6th of October at Abbas Khan College from morning 9:30 to 12:30. It will be a very good workshop for parents. There you can see what these kids have achieved in 1 month. And as I know, our kids are mashallah very skillful, and they are mashallah they are ready for everything. They can do anything. So if we see these children performing over there, what they have learned in just 1 month, we could also send our kids to these classes, and our kids also will achieve big things. We need this thing. This is the need of the hour, that our children progress, and our children should learn more things, and they should achieve good marks in their board exams, and also in the future they should become a champion student. So I will recommend and I'll request all the parents of our area, of our Pulkeshangar that they attend this workshop in Abbas Khan College. Jazakallah.